Hello, today we have practice sheet for naming the organic compounds. We can go through this practice. I think it will be easy to name them. Let's start with the first one here. Here number 11 we have this shape, and he asked to name this one. How can we name it? Like what we said before, we have to select the longest chain for the number of the carbons. Let's start. We have here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each dot here it represents a carbon. So how many carbon here? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about these two? These two act as branches, and we said before that like CH3 as a branch, it's called what? It's called the methyl. So we have to mention the location for these branches. It's at carbon number 2, and I have 2 methyl, so I can say like this: 2 dimethyl. Why I put di? Because there is 2 of methyl at same location, or even in different location. If they are the same, we have to count them, and we can mention di, tri, tetra according to the number. Here we have 2 of methyl, so we put what? We put di. So now we put 2 and 2 dimethyl, and now we have to count the longest carbon chain. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, we said like 5 carbon means pentane, so we can write here pentane. So this compound name is 2,2-dimethyl pentane. Okay, let's go through number 12. Again, we have to select the longest chain. We can start to count the number of carbons. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I cannot include this one or this one. Why? Because here they act as branches or as a branch. So you can ask like from which side we have to start first, from this side or from this side. It depends on the branch. We have to put the branch in the lowest number. So here, if we count from this side, we said it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the branch is at carbon number 5. But if we count it from this side, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think it's from this side the branch will be in lower number. So yeah, we will start from left to right. So the branch here is what you can see here. Each dot, it represents a carbon. So the branch has 2 carbons. If 2 carbons, it's like this: CH2, CH3. This one is like this. So this branch is called what? If only CH3, we said it's a methyl. If CH2, CH3, it's called what? It's called ethyl. So I will mention the location or the number of carbon that this branch is present. So it's at carbon number 4. So I can say it's for what? For ethyl. Are there any other branches? No, it's just only one. So we count the number of the carbon. They are 8. So 8 represent what? We said methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, and what? And octane. So we can say like this: for ethyl, what? Octane. Why we select ane? Because all of carbon are single bond. There is no double or triple bonds. So we put ane. If there was like a double bond, so we can say octane, or if there is like a triple bond, we can say octane. Clear? Let's go on for number 13. I think now it's they are similar. So let's check the branch. Here is the branch. Yeah, so the branch here, it's I think it's from this side it's better. Why? Because it's nearest if we start from this side, from here, from right to left, yeah, it will be at carbon number. Here is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the branch is at carbon number 4. So yeah, we will select this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the branch here? How many carbon? It's 1, 2, 3. Here, if we said if CH3 only, it's a methyl. 2 carbons, the other branch ethyl. 3 carbons, it's called what? Propyl. So it's at carbon number 4. So we said for propyl. how many carbon in the longest chain? There are 9. We said octane, then nonane, so it's 4 propyl nonane, and that's it. Okay, so now let's go for number 13. How many carbon? Now we have a new thing, that there is like a double bond. So if there is double bond, we will not end with "-ane", we will end with what? With "-ene", and we give the priority for the double bond. We have to start from the side that it's near. So here we have to start from this side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are there any branches here? Yeah, there is like a methyl group here at carbon number, what's number 4, so we can say it's 4 methyl. How many carbon in the longest chain? It's 6. We said. We start again methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, and hexane. But here we cannot mention like hexane, we can say only hexene. Hexene, why? Because there is a double bond. Okay, what is the location of double bond? It's at carbon number 2, so we have to mention its location. It's 2, and then hex, and we add what? "-ene", so it's called 4-methyl 2-hexene. Clear? What about number 15 here? I think again same thing. How many carbon in the longest chain? We can start from this carbon, so it's 1, 2. We can go down or up, but I think if we go up, the number of carbon here it's bigger. Yeah, so we'll go by this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a branch here, it's at carbon number 2. So we said if there is CH3 as a branch, so it's called methyl. It's at carbon number 2, so we can say like this, 2-methyl. Yeah, so let's start it here, 2-methyl. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. And again here there is like a double bond, but where is its location? It's at carbon number 1, so I have to mention 1. How many carbon? We said it's 4. 4 means what? Methane, ethane, propane, butane, so it's but, but I will not write "-ane" because there is double bond. I will put butene, so it's 2-methyl 1-butene. I wish it's easy, so you can solve it, and thank you.